Hello Year 7s, this is my 5th attempt trying to make a YouTube tutorial. So today we're going to learn how to create a timeline using YouTube. So we're going to go to the website, so type in youtube.com and we're going to sign in. Some of you will need to make your own user accounts. It's fine I recommend that you use your school login, school email account. And once we've logged in and signed in, we're going to go to upload. And they're going to go to photo slideshow. We're not using video editor, we are using photo slideshow. Click on create. You need to upload a photo. I've already uploaded one. You'll need one photo to begin this process. So once you selected it, going to click on next. We need to make sure that we click on advanced editor. If you do not do this, it'll make your task that much harder. So clicking on advanced editor, leave this page, and now we're starting. So this is a complicated process. We need to make sure that our video is saving. So you need to listen carefully to these instructions. All right, so what we're going to do, first step is to click new project, okay? Once we've clicked on new project, we should see that two options come up. When you're going to rename this My Timeline. And then once we've done that, we're going to add photos. So I'm going to quickly go to what photo I've uploaded, me with the llama. And once that's done, drag my video over here, boom, lock it in. And going to add another one. Now, I want to make sure that my timeline is saving. So you'll notice that the name hasn't changed. What we can do is we can click on the Back to Video Manager button in the top left-hand corner. Hopefully this works, fingers crossed. And then once we have this window open, we're going to go down to Create. Click on that and go to Video Editor. And boom, I've done it. You beauty. So now we have my timeline, and it'll be saving every single time. Follow those steps that I've just mentioned, and you should be fine. So I'm going to now tell you how I want you to set up this task. So when we were creating our timelines in class and practicing them, we were using centimeters to represent time. 1 centimeter could equal 1 year. In our video, we're going to make sure that our seconds we use represent time. So in this video, 5 seconds will represent 1 year. So I've got 2 5-second clips, and so that will represent 2 years. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my first image, and I'm going to move over to text. I'll click the box, enable text, and I'll first insert the year, and then I'll write an event. I was born, and we'll notice when the preview, that fits in perfectly. But let's make it a bit more complicated. I was born at Noble Park Hospital. We've lost our text, it's now cut out. You're asking yourself, how will we get ourselves out of this? Don't worry, I have the answer for you. So we're going to cut our sentence. We can cut our sentence in half by that. And we can change the text size. I strongly recommend going X small. And we want to make our text look fabulous. So we're going to change the color of our text. I'm going to use red. All right, so we've done our first slide. Now we're going to start a second one, clicking on the video and then going to text, enable text, and I'm going to write 1991. I might not have had anything significant happen there, so I could just leave it as is, 1991. But now if we have a look and we play the whole clip, we can do this by just unclicking. We've got 2 videos, 1990, I was born at Noble Park Hospital, and then bam, 1991. the text change looks awkward. So we're going to make sure that all our text is the same size and the same color. So I'm going to use my red. Hopefully it's the same shade of red. And then I'm going to make it X small. All right. So we've gotten our years done, got our video, got our text. Now it's time to get the beats going. So I'm going to go to the Beat Factory and click on this icon. And I'm going to type in Bob Marley. Now I've definitely written his name incorrectly. Oh, that's what I think. And I'm going to click on his video and I'm going to drag it down to drag audio here. So now I've got Bob Marley playing in the background and I've got a picture of me, llamas, and my text. It is starting to come together. My timeline is saving and this will take me not that long to complete to get to 2016. So maybe we want to add some more features, but you can explore that yourself. This is the basics. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I'm sure I'll make a few more videos for you.